Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low gear. Low gear, often labeled as L or 1 on your shifter, is designed to give your vehicle maximum power at lower speeds. It's incredibly useful for specific driving situations, helping your engine work more efficiently. Understanding when and how to engage it can significantly improve your driving experience and vehicle longevity. You should engage low gear in several key scenarios. When ascending or descending a very steep hill, it provides better control and reduces brake wear. For off-road adventures or navigating through mud and sand, low gear delivers the necessary torque. Also, if you are towing a heavy trailer or carrying a substantial load, it helps your vehicle manage the extra weight more effectively. Engaging low gear is straightforward. First, ensure your vehicle is moving at a slow, controlled speed, typically below 25 miles per hour. For automatic transmissions, simply move your gear selector to the L or 1 position. If you have a manual transmission, shift into first or second gear, depending on the steepness and your vehicle's power. This ensures a smooth transition and prevents transmission strain. The benefits of using low gear are significant. It reduces the workload on your engine and prevents your brakes from overheating, especially on long descents. You gain enhanced control and improved traction, which is crucial in challenging driving environments. Always remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific recommendations and limitations regarding low gear usage. Drive safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.